Hi guys, it's Ian. Oh, Ian here. I'm gonna make you guys a people football out of money. First, you're gonna need money, of course. Any kind of money you want. Alright, any kind of money you may want. And you're gonna put it down here. Fold it once. Fold it twice. Another time. See this? Put it in the pocket. And there's paper football.